Good morning everyone. Happy 2018. It's been a few days since the last time I vlogged, but it's just no excuses. But yeah, I have been lazy, to be honest, and the fact that family is over, lots of food and stuff, but the lighting though. Anyway, today's Wednesday, my usual day off, and got nothing planned today. Last night we watched the Netflix. Oh my god, I just woke up. But anyway, last night we watched the Netflix original movie Bright with Will Smith, and it's actually pretty good. Like, it's been a while since we've opened Netflix really, because the past few days we've just been doing our own thing, like gaming and stuff, which I'm not really a fan of, but you know. So today's actually quite overcast. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. It's sort of like just a very lazy day. Yay, it's sunny today. Might go for a walk. Thank goodness the weather changed, because supposedly it's going to rain. Hi there.
Hi. What?
We're currently at Ha Tai Tai Beach, and the water is freezing cold. Probably, how cold do you think the water is? Like 10 degrees?
Me?
Yeah.
It's
No.
like 1 degree.
No, not 1 degree.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you won't be able to swim if it's 1 degree.
Dying.
Probably like,
I couldn't breathe.
I'd say 10 degrees.
What? No way.
But it's so nice and sunny.
-5.
It's refreshing though, don't you think?
Nope. Freezing.
Beach. You can see the airport from here, which is there. Oop, there's a plane.
Okay, I'm tan now.
The weather forecast said it's going to rain, but it turned out to be sunny, which is pretty good. And my hair is quite wet because I just been to the water. It's so nice and refreshing now. Just took a few photos, and we'll probably head maybe home, because we don't live far away from this beach. It's literally like 2-minute drive from where we live. But yeah, what I like about this beach is there's a park as well, and then there's some yachts and all that, and the water is quite enclosed, so it's not that cold. And yeah, and you see the plane and stuff going in and out of the airport, so we will probably go for a drive somewhere. Finally home, and I washed off the salt water, and we didn't really stay out for that long because it's getting to the point where it's just too much, you know what I mean? Like, because the sun here in Wellington is very It's quite low, I think. No, it's quite strong. So whenever you go outside, it's kind of like feels like you're in the desert. But it's nice, like surprisingly enough. It's supposed to be raining today, but thankfully it didn't, and we get to go to the beach, and the water is actually quite refreshing. So I've just put on a very light makeup for today. I didn't really want to pile on a lot of makeup since it's very hot. It's like almost 25 degrees, which I love because I love me some warm weather. So right now I'm just gonna chill, maybe outside in the backyard, and just do some social media stalking because that's what everyone does. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and oh my gosh, it's such a great day that you have to literally go outside even just for a walk, because you never know, tomorrow might be rainy. So have a great day. I'll end my vlog here and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.